Hi folks, we are here to talk about coronavirus. It is quite a damaging disease. It's a pandemic declared by the World Health Organization. We from Cameroon have no initiative. Our politicians have no initiative, no knowledge, no power, no understanding about things that are happening around the world. The people we have choose to run our lives and run our country are ignorant, innocent. They know nothing. They have no idea. Their work is there to amass their money and position and use it against our people to fight for their positions. They have no idea on what they can do as a government, in their positions. They have no clue. But now Corona has arrived. What I'm here to talk about is that it is just a bit of an iceberg, so that we just tip some tiny bit of idea for you. Please stay fast and practice the rules set out by the international community. First is all about hand washing. Second is all about social distancing. Third is all about, if you don't find something important out there, stay at home. Fourth is that wash your hands frequently and then cover your nose, cover your face, and cover your mouth when you want to sneeze, when you want to cough. This disease is spread tactically through droplets. And these droplets are when you cough and when you sneeze. And also, when you touch an article that already have been touched by somebody with the virus, so it affects you when you touch your face, when you touch part of your body with it. Let's be very careful. Hand washing first is part of personal hygiene, which means that at any moment in time, you need to wash your hands at least 20 seconds, as stated by the World Health Organization. Typical hand wash must be at least 20 seconds, making sure that you wash your hands with soap and water, if possible warm water. But if there's no warm water, don't wait. Just go and wash your hands nicely. When you wash your hands nicely, then they feel fresh and you wipe them or dry them off. That is not credible enough for you to leave your house that because you wash your hands, you're going out. No. You're washing your hands to keep yourself clean first, to keep the articles you will touch around clean, so that you shouldn't transfer any infectious disease from yourself to any family member. Second, cover your nose and your mouth when either you're coughing or you are breathing, you are sneezing. When you cover this, you prevent those droplets from flying in the air. The maximum distance coronavirus, which is COVID-19, can go is 2 meters. So when you prevent this, it will protect it from going to other people, and they will breathe them in and it will affect them. Third, social distancing. Make sure that you give 2 meters away. That is the distance where the virus droplets can go further. So when you give that distance, it means that when you cough, sneeze, breathe, or do anything, then the virus cannot cover a maximum of 2 meters. A 2 meter gap is a gap that you can stretch out your hand at least 3 times before it reaches the next person. And in this regard, you try and wear your mask when you go shopping, when you go doing some vital activities. Either you're a key worker, you put on your mask in case you have to meet one of your colleagues. This prevents that what leaves your mouth remains in your mouth. It doesn't prevent that something that is out there shouldn't come into you. It prevents what is in your mouth, in your nose, should not go outside. That is the work for the mask, the common mask we are using. But if you're talking about oxygen mask, then that is different. The common mask we are using means that what remains in your mouth and nose remains there. So let's be very careful with this, and let's take this correctly. Put on your mask when you are going out or you're going to definitely meet somebody, a colleague, or in the shop, or anywhere, then mind your social distancing. The third thing we talk about is that do not even attempt to go out when something is not very important. When it is not important, don't go. If something is real important, very, very important, that's when you take off your mask and then you go out. Don't just go out for no reason. When we do this, the transfer of the virus from person to person will reduce. It will stay only with the people that already have it. And then we would use these people and treat them to get well. And that will be the end of the virus. The transmission level will begin to reduce and will begin to drop. And when it drops, it means that we begin to get up from our houses nice and slowly and begin to attend our work, our businesses, and our normal daily activities. Secondly, in Cameroon, corona is tested only with a thermometer, which means that if you got a high fever, they say it's coronavirus. That is not correct. It is only correct when you have at least tested the other symptoms of coronavirus using other methods, which I think in Cameroon are not yet available. Because even here in the United Kingdom, they are still testing less people, and they're trying to ameliorate, to struggle and get all these testing equipment and testing materials to be available. So in Cameroon, I only see somebody with a thermometer and they say it's corona. Be mindful that when this type of fictitious testing continues and when the outbreak will come, that is when we will face the debacle. We will face it, and we will know that this disease is not good. It is not about the dying, it is about the nature of death, the pains you go through with the disease. So let's take this very serious. Let's respect the international law. Social distancing, washing your hands at least 20 minutes, staying in if there is nothing very important. Cover your face with with a piece of cloth or tissue, and bin this tissue straight away and wash your hands thereafter. And when you have any fever, you have any headache, you have some signs that are stated out that these are signs of corona, call your local doctor and report yourself. And make sure that the type of testing they're doing in Cameroon, they are merely taking your temperatures. They are not testing you for full corona symptoms. Please share this as much as you can do and share to everybody. Should you need any particular advice or help, please go to the Cameroon Reformation Party website and read information about coronavirus, or go to my website, foligalang.com. All one word, foligalang.com. Thank you.